The Sawdust Art Festival began in 1966 in Laguna Beach, California. It was created by a group of local artists who were excluded from the more formal art shows happening at the time, particularly the Festival of the Arts. In response, they set out to build their own space, one that welcomed experimental and self-taught artists. They found a eucalyptus grove off Laguna Canyon Road and constructed a temporary village of artist booths. To reduce dust on the dirt paths, they covered the ground with sawdust, and that's where the festival got its name. The early years were informal and bohemian, but the festival quickly grew in popularity. By the 1970s, it had become an established summer event, drawing thousands of visitors each year. Today, the Sawdust Festival features over 185 artists, all of whom either live in or have strong ties to Laguna Beach area. It remains non-juried, meaning artists are not judged or selected by a panel, staying true to its original, inclusive roots. The grounds are rebuilt from scratch each year using wood and natural materials, maintaining the rustic atmosphere that defined it from the beginning. More than just a marketplace, the festival has evolved into a living piece of Laguna Beach's artistic identity, created by artists, for artists, and for the community that supports them.